So here's a quick introduction on the last grammar point we went over this week, which is the particle to, used for and. This is a very, very simple and straightforward particle. Basically, if you take a noun and another noun and put to in between them, you get noun and noun. And you can do this with, of course, multiple nouns too. The important thing is that this combination makes a new noun phrase. So if you put a particle after that, it's going to mark the entire thing. So for instance, if you say, Maiku-san to Miki-san wa, they're both the topic. If you say, Toshokan to uchi de benkyou shimasu, the location of action is your house and the library. Likewise, kisaten to restaurant ni ikimasu, you're going to a cafe and a restaurant. And of course, if you want to use more, something like pizza to pasta to pan o tabemasu, well then you're eating pizza, bread, and pasta. All three of them become the direct object of the sentence. And that's basically it. It's one of the easiest particles to use. The problem is there is that restriction that I mentioned. Both parts have to be a noun. So you can't say things like kono neko wa kawaii to kirei desu, because those are adjectives. You can't have adjectives as the thing on each side. Likewise, you can't say like akai to aoi for red and blue, because those are both adjectives. You can say something like kawaii neko to kirei na inu. That's okay. To does touch, an adjective there, but it's actually touching kirei na inu, which that's a noun phrase in and of itself. So then you get a bigger one. There are some things you can do to get around this. Like for instance, if you drop the e from most colors that are adjectives, you get nouns. So aka to ao is okay, even though akai to aoi is not. But if you say something like akai to aoi tori, that doesn't mean a red and blue bird. Likewise, even if you said aka to aoi tori, that's not really going to be a red and a blue bird. That's going to be the color red and a bird that's blue, which I don't know why you would ever put those together. So that's the biggest error I see with this. The problem isn't to. To is easy, it just means and. The problem is that people think they can use it like and, when really it can only be used if you have a noun on both sides of the sentence. I hope that helps you with your to, and I'll see you in my next grammar video.